Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you and your family enjoying good health. Attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. So it's your computer class. Here is your computer book. Now dear student, get your computer book. Open page number 5 and this page contains our chapter number 1. And what is the title of our chapter number 1? How does a computer work? How does a computer work? Let's start the reading of our unit number 1. How does a computer work? Computer कैसे काम करता है? Understand the concept of input, process and output. Write difference between man and computer. So in this unit we will understand the concept of input, process and output, as well as we can differentiate between man and computer. Okay student, let's start the reading of this unit. A computer is an electronic machine. Electronic machine means such machine which work on electricity, that can do fast and correct calculations in addition to many other works. The word computer comes from a Greek word. There is a Greek word and computer comes from which word? Greek word. Compute, which means to calculate. What is the meaning of compute? To calculate. Again, to calculate. Nowadays, computers are used in variety of places like schools, offices, shops and railway stations, apart from many other places, to carry out an innumerable number of functions. So computer is used in everywhere, just like offices, just like school, just like shops and etc. Let's read the working of computer, that how computer can work. A computer machine cannot understand our human beings language. हमारी ज़ुबान कंप्यूटर नहीं समझता. Whatever instructions we give, it converts them into a binary codes. A computer follows 3 steps to perform any task. First step is input, second step is processing, and third step is output. Input means take instruction from you. It means typing data into computer through keyboard. Data means raw facts or figures. Processing, solve the problem. It means calculating or sorting the data using system unit. Output means give you the result. So it give you the result. It means giving results of processed data through monitor. Thus information is processed data. Let's understand the terms input, processing, output with the help of example. Look at this picture. Here are some ingredients just like cucumber, cheese, tomato, butter and bread. After chopping up and mixing and by applying these all ingredients on bread, what we get? Sandwich. So this is your input, this is processing, and this step is output. Okay, we can get this output, this sandwich from all these ingredients. So this is the common example related to input, processing and output. Here you can see in the picture how sandwich ingredients are processed and finally you get sandwich. It involves the following steps. You are provided ingredients for sandwich like bread, cucumber, tomato, cheese, cream, etc. This is your input. And what is processing? The ingredients are chopped up and mixed well to be inserted between bread slices. This is processing. This step is processing. You get the sandwich as a result. Then as a result, what you get? You get a sandwich. So this is the output. All machines follow these steps: input, processing and data. All types of machine. There are 3 steps. One is your input, second is your processing, and third is your output. Let us take few more examples. Let's have a look on some other examples. ATM card, ATM machine and notes. This is input, processing, output. Similarly, look at this picture. Oranges, juicer and juice. We can get juice from oranges by passing through the processing process. So these are further 2 examples. Similarly, a computer is also a machine that carries out some function. It also follows those 3 steps. These 3 steps, for example, if you want to add 3 numbers on the computer, then it works as follows. So this is page number 6, in which we learned 3 steps. Number 1 is input, second is processing and third is output. Here are some more explanation about input, output and processing. Input. Type 253 through the keyboard and give the correct instruction. Add to computer. This is called input. This is the computer. When we type with the help of keyboard here 2, 5 and 3. So this is input. 3 numbers are written here. The computer adds 3 numbers according to your instruction is called processing. Here we are going to add 2 plus 5 plus 3. So computer use this in the processing process. The result of adding 2 plus 5 plus 3 is 10. So this is the answer. So this is your output. And this appear on which thing? On screen, on monitor. Cool tip. Here is a cool tip for you. A faulty machine can take input and produce no output. Input तो ले लिया लेकिन output नहीं दिया. This is your faulty machine. Producing output without input is impossible. बगैर input के आपको output कभी नहीं मिल सकता. Now read the difference between man and computer. Here is man and this is the electronic machine, computer. Let's see the difference. Man works slow. Man works slow. इंसान आहिस्ता काम करता है. But computer works fast. Man can imagine and think just like this. But computer cannot imagine and think. Computer सोचता नहीं है. But man can imagine. Get tired and bored of doing the same work after some time. थोड़े वक्त के बाद वो बोर हो जाता है man. But computer didn't. Computer does not get tired and bored of doing the same work even after a long period of time. So this is the main difference between man and computer. Man cannot do different types of work at the same time. एक ही वक्त में मुख्तलिफ काम नहीं कर सकता. But the computer can do different types of work at the same time. Man sometimes wrong, but the computer always accurate. Man can remember limited informations, but the computer can store lots of information. So in these differences we able to know that man is very slow, man can do many mistakes, man can get bored very easily, man cannot do different types of work at a time, man can sometimes wrong, man can remember limited information, but the machine is very fast. Must know, a computer is fast, however there are some computers that are faster than others. The speed of computer depends on processing speed as well as RAM size.
The speed of computer depend upon two things. Number one, processing speed, and the RAM size, the size of RAM.
Now students, open page number 8. This page contains multiple choice questions. Here 3 statements are given to you and 3 options are given to you, and we have to choose the correct one. Okay ji. Our first statement is, in the ATM card, ATM machine node system, where does the processing take place? So the processing take place in ATM machine. So mark ATM machine. Our second question is, which of the following can imagine and think? Which thing? A living thing, a stone, a living human being, a computer. A living human can imagine and think. Our third one is, in the oranges juicer juice system, what is input? Which thing is input? Oranges. Good. So mark all these MCQs on your page number 8 with your lead pencils. Now students, open page number 9. Choose the correct answer. This is our exercise, and our part number A is choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Our first statement is, the word compute means to calculate. Dash means raw fact and figure. Data. The results of processed data is called output, because it is a result form, so it is the output. A computer works on principle of dash cycle. OIP, IPO, PIO. I stand for input, P stand for processing, O stand for output. So our B portion is correct one, input, processing, output. I stand for input, P stands for processing, and O stands for output.